Well, welcome in the kitchen. I'm here at supper time again, as always. And we're going to make a chicken casserole. Right in this pot, I just threw a whole bag of extra wide egg noodles. Okay? Already put some salt in my water, or some water in my salt, however y'all want to say that. And it was boiling until I just dumped those noodles in there. And over here in this pot, which I think you all can see just fine, I'll bring you up. I've got some mushrooms. These are mushrooms that I froze. And that's what I'm using tonight rather than fresh. I've just got a few fresh ones left, and I'm gonna use these. So in here, I have got. Let's see. I probably need the rest of that. Okay, 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, in there with my mushrooms. All right. Also, I'm going to add some onions. And these are onions that we grew. Yay! We'll add some of these. I just got them all chopped up for the freezer. About a little handful. It's about what I put in there. And, you know me, I always have to add celery. Here it is. Here's our celery. About a handful, about like I usually do. Right in there, y'all. I've got the oven already preheated. And it is hot. Alrighty, we'll let that cook right there. Alright, and to this I'm going to add this 7-ounce jar of pimentas. Whole thing. Okay? If I can get them open. I'll show y'all a trick. If you're a nurse, you probably already know this. But you can take you a tourniquet and wrap it around a jar like that. And usually you can get it open. At least I used to be able to. There we go. Juice and all. Right in there. All right. Now then, we're going to get this sauteing up. Right like this. We want all this to saute up and be ever so happy, don't we? As our noodles are cooking, because they're going on the bottom. I'm going to put it right here in this casserole dish. It's just a little square casserole dish, probably 9 by 9 or something like that. I am cooking extra noodles because I'm going to make one to freeze as well. I'll probably put it together tomorrow, but I went ahead and cooked all the noodles. Okay. I normally would cook everything at one time to make 2 or even 3. That way you cook once, you eat twice or 3 times. But I want y'all to see just a single casserole. So, oh, my water back here is boiling. Let me get my tea out. Got to make us some tea. I'll just do one because I don't have to go in there and get more tea bags. It'll get us through supper and then I'll make some more. And get this water up. All right. Okie doke. And we're just going to saute this up right here. And while that's cooking, let's get everything else ready that we need. I have got a cream of mushroom and a cream of chicken, okay? Let me go in here and open them up and I'll be right back. Andy, can you say hello?
Hello!
You want Mama to cook that squash? All right. Here's our soups. 1 can of cream of mushroom. Y'all can't see what I'm doing a bit more than the man in the moon. He could probably see better than you can, to tell you the truth. All right, I'm going to turn y'all down just a little bit and turn you around here. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Right here, right there, you can see that. All right, here we go. Can of cream of mushroom soup. 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And I'll put some sour cream in there. About 8 ounces of sour cream. Eight ounces, which would be equal to 1 cup, right? All right, there we go. A cup of sour cream.
Just gonna get our vacuum cleaner.
Oh. All right, turn y'all back over here now. I'm gonna stir this up. Sour cream and 2 cans of soup, right here. You can add milk if you don't have sour cream. You can add water, but you need to thin this out just a little bit. Give it something to thin it. That sour cream, when it gets hot, will thin quite a bit. Okay? There's that. Our noodles are done. Now this is real quick to throw together. Our noodles are done. This right here is just about done. There's onions and mushrooms and peppers. All right, I'm going to take this to the sink and drain it real quick. All right, I'm going to turn this off and turn this one back on so y'all can see a little bit better. Can y'all see a little better right here? I think you can. Alrighty. See how pretty that looks? Alright, now to this, I'm going to add a can of chicken broth. Right here, 1 can of chicken broth. Right there. And I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and then I'm going to add this stovetop stuffing. Okay. All right, that's boiling, and there went in our stuffing mix. I'm going to turn it off. And yes, it's going to be a little watery, but we're going to bake it, so we want it to be a little watery, okay? All our good seasoning in there. All right, we're ready to throw this baby together. I'm going to turn y'all around this way, okay? Maybe y'all can see. I think y'all are a little bit loose and wonky. All right, now then. All right, got y'all straightened up there. Here's our chicken. Had it in a little bit of water, thawing out. This is pre-cooked chicken that I cooked when I bought all my chicken the other week. And I pre-cooked it so we would have it for chicken casserole or chicken pot pie or chicken salad or chicken whatever. Okay. Here are our noodles. I'm going to put about half of these noodles in here. That's hot, hot, hot. All right. There's our noodles. Now then, we're going to add our chicken. Right here, see all that good chicken? Look at this chicken. Oh, it's so yummy. Yum, yum, yum. All right, there's our chicken. Now then, we're going to add our soup mixture. And I'm just going to do it right like this. Just kind of dollop it across here. Just like so. Because it will cook down into all of this and it will be so yummy. So, so yummy. I'll get on here one day with you all when I do something like this and I'll make our own cream of chicken and cream of mushroom soup. But for ease and convenience tonight, we're using canned. Okay. All right, there's that. Now then, put this over here in the trash. Now then, I'll swing y'all back around this way and put this in the sink. Swing you back around here. Now then, this is going on top. Right like this. Ooh. Look at all those pretty red peppers in there. And that's the same thing that I normally get out of the freezer, y'all. Or just red peppers. I didn't have any up here in the freezer. So, I used a jar. Doesn't that make that look so pretty? Alright, now this is going into oven until it's all nice and bubbly, bubbly. And that's one quick and easy chicken casserole. And I'll bring y'all back when it gets all bubbles. Okay, here's our casserole. There it is. Can y'all see how bubbly it is around the edges? Look here. Look, see how bubbly it is. So that means it's good and hot. And everything was already cooked before it ever went in the oven. So all we need to do is get it all real good and hot and happy, and it is. So we'll let it cool just a minute before it goes to the table. And it's too hot for me to taste, but I'll tell you right now, it's really good. You all need to try this. Y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.